One day your mother's voice will become a memory. One day your father's footsteps will no longer be heard in the house. One day the same phone call you ignore today will be the call you wish you could receive again. And on that day, no amount of crying will bring them back. No amount of regret will open the grave. No amount of I'm sorry will return the years you wasted being rude, cold, proud, and careless. So before that day comes, listen carefully. Your parents are not ordinary people in your life. They are the reason, by the permission of Allah, that you are here today. Your mother carried you before anyone saw your face. She felt your weight before anyone knew your name. She lost sleep before you even opened your eyes. She carried pain in her body, weakness in her bones, and fear in her heart, just so you could live. And when you were born, helpless and unable to do anything for yourself, she did everything for you. You cried, she came. You were hungry, she fed you. You were cold, she covered you. You were sick, she stayed awake. You could not speak, but she understood you. You could not walk, but she carried you. You could not protect yourself, but she protected you with everything inside her. And your father, he may not have shown his emotions the same way. He may not have cried in front of you. He may not have said much, but many times he carried worries you never saw. He worked when he was tired. He smiled when he was broken. He denied himself comfort so that you could have yours. He left the house with problems in his heart, but came back with food in his hand. He sacrificed his body, his time, his youth and his strength, so that one day you could stand. And now that you can stand, how do you treat them? With anger, with impatience, with disrespect, with silence, with embarrassment? How many times has your mother called you and you looked at the phone and ignored it? How many times has your father advised you and you rolled your eyes? How many times did they ask you for help and you acted like they were disturbing your life? How many times did you raise your voice at the same people who taught you how to speak? How many times did you walk away from the same people who carried you when you could not walk? Wallahi, this is not a small matter. Allah did not place kindness to parents as something light. Allah connected His worship with goodness to parents. He says in the Quran that you must worship none but Him and be excellent to your parents. And when they reach old age with you, do not even say oof to them. Not even a sound of irritation. Not even a small expression of annoyance. Not even that little sigh that shows you are tired of them. Because Allah knows that old age can be difficult. A parent who was once strong may become weak. A mother who once carried you may one day need you to carry her. A father who once protected you may one day need you to protect him. They may ask the same question again and again. They may forget things. They may become slow. They may become emotional. They may need help with things they once did for themselves. And at that moment, Allah is testing your heart. Will you serve them with mercy or will you treat them like a burden? Remember this. When you were young, you asked the same question many times. You cried for no reason. You made noise. You disturbed their sleep. You ruined their clothes. You made mess after mess. Yet they did not throw you away. They did not say, I am tired of this child. They kept loving you. They kept cleaning you. They kept feeding you. They kept forgiving you. So why now, when they are weak, do you suddenly have no patience? Why now, when they need you, do you act like they are a problem? Why now, when their hairs turned gray because of the years they spent raising you, you speak to them like strangers? My brother, my sister, fear Allah regarding your parents, because the way you treat them today may become the way your own children treat you tomorrow. If you shout at your mother today, do not be surprised when your child shouts at you tomorrow. If you ignore your father today, do not be shocked when your child ignores you tomorrow. If you make your parents cry today, one day you may sit alone and remember every tear. What goes around comes around. And sometimes Allah allows a person to taste the same pain they once gave others, so they can understand what they did. Do not wait until your mother is wrapped in white cloth before you realize her value. Do not wait until your father is lowered into the ground before you remember his sacrifices. Do not wait until you are standing beside the grave saying, I wish I had done more. Because by then, the time of service is gone. You can cry, you can regret, you can remember, but you cannot return yesterday. You cannot go back to answer the call you ignored. You cannot go back to hug them when they needed you. You cannot go back to apologize for the words that broke their heart. So do it now. Call them now. Serve them now. Speak gently now. Make dua for them now. Sit with them now. Ask them what they need now. Because none of us knows when Allah will take them. There is no warning that says, this is your last week with your mother. There is no message that says, this is your last conversation with your father. Sometimes the last conversation looks normal. Sometimes the last meal looks ordinary. Sometimes the last hug feels like every other hug until it becomes the last, and then the heart breaks. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, was asked, who has the most right to my good companionship? He said, your mother. Then who? Your mother. Then who? Your mother. Then who? Your father. Look at the honor Islam gives to the mother 3 times before the father. Why? Because of what she carried, because of what she suffered, because of what she gave. Pregnancy was not easy. Labor was not easy. Breastfeeding was not easy. Sleepless nights were not easy. Raising you was not easy, but she did it. And many times she did it without applause, without payment, without thanks, without anyone seeing her tears. Your mother may have cried quietly at night because of you. Your father may have worried silently because of you. And still in the morning, they continued loving you. So how can a person grow up and become arrogant toward them? How can a son become too big to serve his mother? How can a daughter become too proud to respect her father? How can we speak kindly to friends, bosses, customers and strangers, but speak harshly to our own parents? This is a disease of the heart. Some people will smile outside but frown at home. They will lower their voice for people outside but shout at their parents. They will spend hours replying to messages, but they cannot give their mother 5 minutes. They will obey their employer quickly but delay when their father asks for something. What kind of success is that? What kind of life is that? If your parents are alive, you are holding a door to paradise. Do not close that door with your bad character. Do not destroy that blessing with your ego. Do not let Shaitan make you feel too proud to apologize. Go to them, humble yourself, say, Mom, forgive me. Say, Dad, forgive me. Even if you think you are right, choose mercy. Even if they do not understand you, choose patience. Even if they are difficult, choose respect. Because your reward is with Allah. This does not mean parents are perfect. No human being is perfect. Parents can make mistakes. Parents can misunderstand. Parents can be harsh sometimes, but their mistakes do not cancel their rights. And your pain does not give you permission to become disrespectful. You can set boundaries with wisdom. You can protect yourself from harm. You can speak honestly, but never become cruel. Never become foul-mouthed. Never become arrogant. Never forget who they are. Allah says, lower to them the wing of humility and mercy, and say, my Lord, have mercy upon them as they raised me when I was small. This dua is so beautiful because it admits something very deep. You cannot repay them fully. You cannot pay your mother back for one night she stayed awake while you were sick. You cannot pay your father back for the years he carried responsibilities you never understood. You can serve them for years, but still you will not equal what they did for you when you were helpless. So you ask Allah to reward them. You ask Allah to have mercy on them. You ask Allah to treat them better than you ever could. And if your parents have passed away, do not think the door is completely closed. Make dua for them. Give charity on their behalf. Ask Allah to forgive them. Honor their friends. Keep family ties. Live in a way that becomes a continuing reward for them. But if they are still alive, then do not delay. Because living parents are a chance that many people are begging Allah to have again. There are people who would give anything to hear their mother call their name one more time. There are people who would give anything to sit beside their father again. There are people who cry every Eid because the chair is empty. There are people who still reach for the phone forgetting their parent is gone. There are people who smell old clothes just to feel close to them. And you still have yours, yet you are careless. Do not be ungrateful. Do not underestimate the blessing in your house. Sometimes your paradise is sitting in the next room. Sometimes your greatest test is the person who raised you. Sometimes the dua that will open your doors is the dua of your mother. Sometimes the blessing you are chasing outside is waiting inside your father's smile. The Prophet, peace be upon him, taught us that the pleasure of Allah is connected to the pleasure of the parents, and the anger of Allah is connected to their anger when they are upon truth and not commanding sin. So be careful. A parent's dua is powerful. A parent's broken heart is not something small. Do not be the reason your mother cries in sujood. Do not be the reason your father raises his hands with pain. Fear the dua of a parent who has been hurt unjustly, and seek the dua of a parent who is pleased with you. Before you leave the house, ask for their dua. Before you start that business, ask for their dua. Before you marry, ask for their dua. Before you travel, ask for their dua. There is barakah in it. There is light in it. There is protection in it. Some people are looking for success everywhere, but they are stepping over the hearts of their parents. They want money, but they ignore their mother. They want marriage, but they disrespect their father. They want peace, but they bring pain into the home. How will barakah come like that? Return to your parents. Return with humility. Return with softness. Return before regret returns to you. If you have not called them today, call them. If you have not checked on them, check on them. If you have not hugged them, hug them. If you have not said I love you, say it. Some parents may not know how to express love, but they feel it. Some fathers are quiet, but their hearts are full. Some mothers complain a lot, but behind the complaint is a heart that wants your attention. Do not let technology steal you from them. Do not let friends replace them. Do not let your busy life make you forget the people who gave their lives for you. Because one day the house will be quiet. One day the room will be empty. One day you will look at their picture and wish you had more time. And on that day, you'll understand that parents are not forever. So my dear brother, my dear sister, tonight make a decision. No more harsh words. No more ignoring calls. No more arrogance. No more treating your parents like a burden. Go back to them with mercy. Even if all you can do is speak nicely, then speak nicely. Even if all you can do is make dua, then make dua. Even if all you can do is sit with them, then sit with them, but do something. Do not let this reminder pass like every other reminder. Your mother is your door. Your father is your door. Through serving them, Allah may open doors for you that no human being can close. And through hurting them, a person may destroy blessings they never knew were connected to their parents. May Allah forgive us for every time we were careless toward our parents. May Allah have mercy on our mothers and fathers. May Allah bless those who are alive and forgive those who have passed away. May Allah soften our hearts toward them. May Allah make us children who bring comfort to their eyes. May Allah make our parents a means for us to enter Jannah, and may Allah not take them from us while they are displeased with us. Before you sleep tonight, call them, ask for forgiveness, make dua for them, because one day you will wish you had one more chance, and that chance is today.